It literally only has 2 buttons. That's it. Right team, so I have always loved drones because they're fun, they're versatile, and the footage they get, honestly, incredible. But let's be honest, most of the time, they're bulky, they're expensive, and they're kind of a pain to travel with. So when DJI dropped the Neo, which like literally, look at this, it fits in your pocket. Like, what? Now look, I knew straight away the image quality from this thing was not gonna be anything mind-blowing, but that is not really the point of this drone, okay? The thing about this is convenience, accessibility, and just how ridiculously easy it is to actually use. Like for first timers or anyone really wanting drone footage without a lot of the drama, this thing is almost perfect. Now this thing is tiny, light as, and super portable. And you don't even need a controller to get started, which is both like weird, but also kind of genius as well.
That's pretty cool, man.
Now out of the box, it comes with just 1 battery, which honestly is not enough, but it does charge via USB-C. So you can top it up with anything when you're on the go, like a power bank or a car charger. Super duper simple, fast, and really convenient as well having that USB-C. There's basically no sensors apart from these little hand sensors underneath. But what I love is that the gimbal is actually smartly tucked inside the body, so crashes won't destroy this thing. And let me tell you, crashes will happen a lot. So this is a huge plus. The setup is easy and there's almost no learning curve, which is perfect for beginners. Though you will need to get the app to get it off the ground.
Okay, disappointing. I have to connect to the app to activate it first.
A little bit annoying, but kind of just seems like the way that most tech brands are going. You have to download their app and sign up to their marketing email list.
I have done that.
Now flying, this thing feels really smooth. Now obviously it's not built for stunts or long range, but for short fun flights, it is so much fun. Although what is wild and absolutely blew my mind is that this tiny drone can still transmit video up to 10 kilometers away with the proper RC controller. That is absolutely bonkers for a drone that is this small. Like how? What? Where is that tech? Seriously. Now the tracking on this thing is kind of nuts. Like it will lock onto whoever launched it and stick absolutely perfectly. Even if you try to fool it by walking in front of the person, it will just follow the original person with 100% absolute precision. It's honestly like scary good how good that technology is. And for beginners, those DJI quick shots, they're so much fun. Like they're perfect for capturing cinematic shots without doing anything fancy. And newbies are gonna absolutely love these. Now I'd love to know, would you daily fly something this small, or is it a little bit too limited for your needs? Let me know in the comments below. Now if you do connect a controller, that's when things really level up and you get proper camera settings like manual exposure. Unfortunately right now there is no log mode, but you do get more creative control with the controller. Without the controller just flying it as is like this, you're stuck in that auto mode, which is fine, but it's not ideal for like getting some seriously good shots. Now hiking, this drone is absolutely made for it. Because it's so light, you literally will not even notice it in your pack. And as long as it's not blowing a gale, you get pretty decent footage out of this thing. I tried it on my e-bike too, and it tracked me like an absolute hawk, like even through the trees and around bends. It is honestly, it's just so impressive. Now, battery life is what you'd expect. They say that it's 18 minutes, but you'll get a little bit less. And the internal storage is only 22 gigabytes. That'll supposedly get you about 40 minutes of 4K or 55 minutes of 1080p. And unfortunate thing is you can't expand it. It's a little bit of a shame, but you just have to get used to downloading the footage regularly. But still, for quick runs and light use, it's not the worst. Like just know that you'll have to offload the footage a little bit more often than you might think. Now, one thing I really want to try this in is FPV mode. Now, I don't have the goggles or the remote, but I've seen a lot of people do it and it looks absolutely mental. Because this thing is so light and gimbal, it is honestly just begging to be flown in the FPV style. Now for the price, I think this is absolutely banger value. Like if you're looking for a beginner friendly or even a second drone, not like a main rig, but more of just like a little, kind of like a crash cam, this thing will be perfect. But now, even though it's not the perfect drone, it's super fun, it's easy, and it's actually impressive in way more ways than you will think. And if you're just getting into drones or you want something that's light and portable without all the bulk, the DJI Neo is a really solid starting place for you. Links will be below for this thing, and if you did like this video, you'll probably like this one as well. But anyway, that's it team for this one. Stay creative and just be you. See ya.